Welcome back to Charlie's Oasis. In today's video, I will be telling you 7 proven facts on how you can improve the health of your phone and by so doing, reduce the temperature of your phone. Yes, you're welcome. Every iPhone user, you should be in the comment section telling me a very big thank you because I've taken time to make deep research on certain things that we can do and we can avoid to help our phone temperature not to eventually blow our phone up someday. Never it will happen. Okay, so I'm going to drop right straight into it. Welcome to Charlie's Oasis. This is a place where you learn and you get value about your phone. We have been on the iPhone series for a while, and today is yet another amazing video. And I'll be teaching us how you can improve your phone by so doing reducing the temperature or the hotness of your phone. Every iPhone user have experienced this one time or the other on how your phone overheats a lot. But today's video will help you drastically. So share to a friend, drop a comment, and let's jump right straight into it. Number one on my list will actually surprise you. Now, some apps on your phone actually causes your phone to overheat. Yes, some setting apps in your phone result to your phone temperature skyrocketing. And we have to do something about that. Let's do it. Now, if you're an iPhone user, I want you to go to the settings of your phone right now. Click on privacy and security. Take your time. Have you done that? Good. Click on analytics and improvement. Have you done that? All right. Click on analytical data. What do you see? I'm sure you see a lot of writings. Now, those are the different apps on your phone that crashes on their own simultaneously. They open and they crash even when you're not using them. What can you do about this? You can simply turn off the background data, or you can simply delete the app on your phone if it's not important. But if it's an app you're using from time to time, simply just turn off the background data so that you can avoid this simultaneous crash. Someone might ask me, why do this app crash on their own even when they are not in use? Very simple question. You know, these apps, they run on the processor of the phone. All right. So even when they are not in use, they are in use. It's just like you're sleeping. All right. Now, I can be sleeping right now and I'm not doing anything, but my inside is working. Am I making sense? So I might not be moving my hands when I'm sleeping, but something in my body is keeping my hand, my legs, my eyes always at alert. Now, even when I need them the slightest second, they are ready. That's exactly what happens. So you might not be using the app, but something in the background is keeping that app alive. So the moment you turn off that background data, you kind of switch up the inner switch that helps that app to be alive. Do we understand? Yes, we do. You're welcome. The second thing on my list to help you reduce the temperature of your phone is once in a while remove the pouch of your phone. And if you're using an old pouch, it's good that you do away with it. Be it a plastic, a leather pouch, whichever you're using. Once in a while, remove the pouch of your phone and let your phone breathe a little bit. All right? Trust me, it's going to help you. Another point on my list, number 3, is the brightness of your phone can also result to your phone temperature rising. So reduce the brightness of your phone while you're using it. It will be of great help to you. Number 4, do not use your phone while it's charging. We are all victims of this, I myself, but this is a wake-up call. Do not use your phone while it's charging, especially making calls while you're charging your phone is not allowed. Do not do it at all. All right. What else do I have on my list? I have update your iOS version. Update your iOS version. Is going to be of help to you. Update your iOS version. No, iOS, or should I say Apple, they bring up these different upgrades, or let's say iOS upgrade, not for the fun of it, They do it so that you can help your phone. For every iPhone, there is a special update or upgrade for it. So make sure you always update your iOS version. It helps to fix bugs and certain things that might not be going well with your phone internally. Thank me later. Number five, use good phone chargers. Most of us, we are using the worst phone chargers. You buy the cheapest chargers on the streets and you expect your phone to work well. You charge your phone and your phone is heating up like a pressing iron. Don't do that. All right? Do not do that. Use good phone chargers. And if you're in Lagos, you can stop at our shop at Ikeja. We give you the best chargers. We also give you great phone pouch as well, or phone cases, as you may know it, for your phone. So ensure you stop by at our shop and get yourself one. Another thing here. What do I have? Turn off background apps or close background apps. What do I mean? You open Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, OnlyFans. You open all those apps and you forget that you opened them. When you're done with an app, it's good to just close it up. Yeah, close it up so that your phone don't have too many things doing. Right? Don't have too many things doing. So when you're done with an app, close it up. At least you should have about 2 to 3 of those apps, one in the background, and you should be good. You should be good. The last but not the least is exposing your phone to hot surfaces. What do I mean? You expose your phone directly to the sun. You are in public and you are just pressing your phone right under the sun. Try and get a shade. Try and get a shade is very important. Or you put your phone in your pocket for too long. It begin to generate heat. Especially if you are moving around a lot. So these are 7 things that you should know that causes your phone to overheat. And now you know what to do. So help it not overheat, but instead be at the temperature whereby it helps your phone to work better. It helps your battery to last longer. And you don't get to damage any internal IC on the phone. Well, if you have any other thing that you feel like, well, I know this, it could help, drop it in the comment section. Someone out there would love to see it. And that being said, I'll see you in the next one.